Murder Nesha. Meron kang quest to murder people?
Slaughter ba? Something like that.
Whoa! May sumabog. Is that you? Is that me? Hello, why is there fire here? Mysterious potion. Drink.
Let's hope the orb remains stable in the face of such explosive power.
You are the world's first
Detonate.
detonative exsanguinator.
We survived the experiment derived from blood. Now we have fire in our veins and someone willing to give us explosive blood potion. Explosive blood potions? Excuse me? Oh, it's not a murder mission. It's a murder investigation. The guy is already dead. I need to investigate. I'm gonna just speak with dead.
Power waves.
I'm so annoyed.
So, a short person in a red dress. Oh my god, may traps! Fuck, 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 fuck! Secret chambers. And my perception being so low. I get caught in traps. Oh my god, the other trap. Fuck, 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 fuck. Back away, back away. Ha. Expertly dodged. May nakita akong chest that I was like, I should lockpick it. Pero I remembered Tim and how he did lockpicks using a hammer.
Enhanced lockpick.
It's a skeleton key, bro, who works every time. Random text that I'm not gonna read. What's happening?
What is that sound of amusement?
I'm in another fucking fight.
Guess I'll join Casper.
She will may minus ano eh.
In fairness, Tim, I also opened the back door with the enhanced method.
Yoink, yoink, yoink. Surprise! Tinarget ko sa second floor. Yung spell ko, tatamaan kaya kayo nito pag kahit nasa ground floor kayo?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Alright, let's try.
Yes is the answer.
Oh, the floor gave way! Okay. I'm canceling his summon. Counter spell, bitch.
But,
Kasi Aaron pala dito rin, no? Nag-i-sneak. I was like, bakit yung NPC na yun? Parang kakaiba yung galong ng NPC na yun. Nope, it was not an NPC.
does that NPC look weird?
I know, right? Parang topless tapos naglalakad ng ano, naglalakad ng parang nakaka-crouch yung NPC sa tabi ng mata ko.
That was the that I was going for.